How to update Hisense Smart TV. First of all, get your Hisense TV remote control, then press the home button. It should be in the middle of your controller. There, you'll be brought to this screen here where you'll be able to press the up button to get to the top menu. Then once you're there, you want to use the D-pad direction pad to go to the right to get to this settings cog, then click OK there. Then in the settings menu here, you'll want to scroll down on the D-pad to the bottom where it says support, then go to the right to go in support, and then there you will see system update. Scroll to that, click within there to go to the right, then right there you'll be able to check update, so then you can see what the latest version update you're on. And as well, you want to click on the auto update, make sure that's ticked. So that means when you turn your TV on, it will update. So you can turn your TV off and on again. Then in that situation, it will be the most updated version when you turn it on. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.